video that I'm going to be doing. We're going to be fishing. This is just kind of an experiment for now. I don't know how this is going to go. But anyways, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, first cast. I've been sitting here for maybe 20 minutes and no bites, so I just recasted, and let's hope for the best. Missed him. Picked up the catfish. There's some slime on it. So, just got a little bait fish with the cast net. Bluegill. It's not working out too well here. It's been like 3 hours of no luck, but I'm gonna keep trying. Y'all, I've been out here for a really long time. I know this is probably not what you wanted for the first fishing vlog, because the chances of, me catching anything in this video are pretty slim, so I'm just gonna get going pretty soon. But we caught some pretty cool stuff in the cast net off camera. I caught a big shad, but I killed it and used it as bait. Anyways, I'm gonna go back. See ya. Well, you guys, I thought I'd give the cast net another shot just before I left, and I caught a really big shad. This thing's huge. I don't know if I've ever seen a shad this big before. That's it compared to my hand. So actually, I might stay out here a bit longer for the shad, and well, not just shad, but like for anything in the cast net. Then I caught this nice crappie too. Crappie, well, not nice. Sorry, this one's really tiny, but he'll grow up to be bigger. Little crappie. Well, guys, we didn't end up having any more luck after that. So, well, actually, I just went home, but I was really hot. I'd been out there for like 4 hours, so it was a short video, but thank you all for watching. And also that big shad that I caught, I didn't kill it, just so y'all know. I released it. I also released the crappie, as you saw. Anyways, see y'all. I'll do another vlog possibly in the future. Peace.